Oh yeah, if you're watching this video and you want to get the tool, check the description. I got all the links you need. Let's run it up. Back right to it. So we on TikTok's website, okay? And TikTok Shop is booming. They said they spending billions, you hear me, with a B, in 2024 on TikTok Shop. So that's digital sales. So when you go to this page, it's called TikTok Shop website. And just look at all the damn products. You got shit for the toilet, whatever this is for cucumbers. There's so many products on here, and they're selling while people sleep. So they sell all day and night. There's literally no time limit to how long you can sell live on the internet, okay? So you can sell all sorts of products, or even products like this. All right, so you saw that lovely B-roll. So once you got your product figured out, or if you don't know which product to find, I got you. And we're gonna start it right off with the blowout sale on Doba. You see the website? You heard of this before, and if you haven't, you're welcome. So we went right here to the blowout sale. So these are products that you're gonna get up to 13% off. You don't have to ever touch the product. You don't even ever have to see the product. But look, when you scroll down here, they got something called Majas Colombiana Shapewear. Don't know what that is or what it means, but look, it's a shapewear bodysuit thing so everybody can suck their body in, and look, it'll get there within 3 business days. All you have to do to add this to your store or start selling on your TikTok shop like we just sold, or your Amazon, your Temu, Shopify, whatever, you press add to inventory, and you can even download. You see here, if you want the assets, so all the pictures of this product, the things about it, the description, all of that will be downloaded in one click. And look how many different products they have here, a bunch of different stuff listed, videos that come with this. So imagine if they had the product, they knew the most viral product, they had the product on sale, they got phones, anything you could think of, they got it right here, but it doesn't end there. Because I want to take you to up top right here, because look, they got TikTok Shop selections, they got Temu selections, the top ranking products, which are the best things that they believe with AI they've used to process which stuff is selling the best. They got the highest profit products, new arrivals, premium suppliers, gang. Now this is where you're gonna be able to talk directly to the people that's selling the product. I don't know how much better you can get. And when you go to more right here, I want you to see that you can even go to the Amazon selections, the Shopify selections, the things that ship specifically from the US, or free shipping. And if you really want to make a bang for your buck, you can click free shipping, and they literally have tons of products that have free shipping. So you can put this on your website, you can charge for shipping, and they're shipping it for free. Look at all these different products, bro. It's incredible. Roll another B-roll. And I mean, I'm telling you, the products do not stop on this website. And the best thing about it is that you can sign up for Doba.com completely free. I'll have the link for you in the description, so don't trip. I got everything you need. But bro, I just thought this was crazy. I had to take some time this week to tell you about this website twice, because guess what? I had to take some time this week to bang out these videos because it's been a hectic week, because we get into some bread, but you need to get some paper this summer, bro. If you want to get some buns, you got to get some funds. And this is going to be one of the easiest ways to do it, by using your device. All you need is a laptop or an iPad, or hell, even your phone, man. Start using TikTok, Amazon, or whatever, because you can let AI work for you. Even if you have Amazon, you shop on Amazon, why not sell some stuff that's from Amazon? Yes, and before you ask, they got AI. Yeah, they'll set you a whole website up, gang. I'm talking about not only the whole website, the theme, the 10 winning products that go on a website if you don't want to do any of the thinking. And it's going to do that in less than 10 minutes. And the coolest thing about it is that it updates daily products, okay? So it's real-time inventory syncing. That means when something's going out of stock, it's going up in inventory, that will let you know and monitor it live in real time. And it's fully automated, okay? So they're going to find the products for you, make the website for you, do all the bells and whistles. You get it, and all you have to do is sign up right now. If you like that one, you can click try it now. That's for you if you want AI to just drive all the sales for you and run it up for you. So that's the video. I got another call coming in. I'm praying for y'all. Pray y'all get some money socket to your pocket and start thinking smarter, bro. Because listen, no matter what you think, if you don't got no paper, it's gonna be harder for you. But like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the description so you can check this product out or this tool out. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.